Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews. It's that time of the month. It's time for Terra Bella Box. If you're not familiar with this subscription, it is an all-natural, organic, cruelty-free beauty / skincare / bath subscription box. It's $32.95 a month. You will get 3 to 4 items. There is also the makeup edit, which includes 3+ makeup items for $29.95 a month. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Terra Bella Box. But this is just a quick unboxing to see what's inside. I do enjoy this one a lot. It's always a lot of fun, well packaged, well thought out, beautiful assortments. Never a boring box from them. Oh, these are like my favorite for just like myself. So they do include this insert. It lists each of the items, where to get them if you're interested, and then also retail prices. There's usually about 4 items in each box. All right, so this looks like a bath bomb. This is OK Canary Coconut Lime Verbena Bath Bomb. Just throw in your bath and enjoy. It's 4 ounces. It's really wrapped well, so I can only smell it slightly, but it does smell really good. And you guys know I love bath bombs, so that is cool. Next up, we have something that's ripped. If I can get it open. Okay. This is Spinster Sisters Company Rose Body. Oh, you guys know I love rose. So this is with Oregon jojoba and essential oils. It's 2 ounces. So this you put on after your bath. Look at that beautiful packaging. Oh, I am like a sucker for a beautiful pack. And this is rose. So thank you. I'll be enjoying that. All right. Third, this is from Starboard Alchemy. We've received quite a few products from them in the past. Usually it's like masks. And this is their French green clay mask. I think it was a darker, like a chocolate, but it was like a chocolate color, like a cocoa colored. So this is a green one. I love these. This is a dry mask, so you mix it with a little bit of water, make a paste, and then rub it on your face and allow it to dry. And that extracts all the stuff that's stuck deep down in your pores, all the sebum, all those lovely things. All right, finally, here's our final item. Are you guys ready? This is a natural loofah soap from Honey Bell. This is green tea cucumber, handcrafted in Southern California. So basically what you have here is the top is your soap, and then the bottom there is your loofah, so you can exfoliate all that dry winter skin away. Isn't that cool? Perfect time of the year for it too. This is it is thought out, because the body oil and the loofah great for this like dry, crisp winter air here at fall here in southeastern Pennsylvania. Is killing me. And also allergies. My daughter has allergies, so like she has like mold, like leaves, and so in the fall at night, the symphony of coughs. So we have to, prepare with allergy stuff. Anyways, let's go through the prices and do the price breakdown while we're here. $8 for that loofah soap, $14 for the French green clay mask. The body oil is $19. Not surprised, that stuff's really expensive. And $7 for the bath bomb. So that gives us a total of $26, $30, $40, $48 for a $32.95. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. The products are amazing. I do love this subscription. If you're interested in checking out my full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Terra Bella Box so you can check them out as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this one down below.